Everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is the one bedroom at the Presidium at Frisco Square. By the way, this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. We're going to go now into the bedroom and bathroom. The bedroom and bathroom are beautiful. This is the bedroom. That looks like a queen bed. There is so much room in here. It's just gorgeous. Look the way it looks here. This is just awesome too. It's got a lot of light in here. It looks amazing. Great windows here. In this case, it goes out onto the pool. You look out on the pool. I love just the color of the walls. Just gorgeous. It's just crisp and clean. This is the bathroom. We're going to walk into that. The bathroom is really cute too. Really nice look and feel in the bathroom. Huge mirror. I love the mirror. I love the lighting. That gold. That gold is back in, by the way, as an accent, gold accent for metal and in homes. This is the shower. It's really big. It's got a bench in there. And then this is the closet. This is super, super cool. Love this closet. Hey, this is a really pretty bedroom and bath. I really love it. Hey, if you like it too, do this for me. Send me a text. My number's below and say, hey, I'm interested in chatting with you. I want to see a little bit more information about this Presidium Frisco Square. And I'd also love to maybe take a tour of the Presidium Frisco Square. What I recommend is we can set up that tour. We can start with a virtual tour. And then that's easy. You can do that. We could maybe even set up for later today or tomorrow. And we can also do an in-person tour anytime. That's always free with our service to set these tours up for you and take care of it. So send in that text right now.